Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you the difference between the new and the old version of the Dual-Lite EZ-2. Not much has changed. Really the main difference is the color and the voltage of the system. So this is the older version. It has more of a tan color when compared to the bright. Also, I'm not sure if it's just my unit, but these are kind of not as reflective as those. I believe it's all the older versions are that way. So the old version has a metal battery strap and an incandescent indicator light. This is a 4-volt emergency light, the older version is. The older versions take the special 4-volt pure lead battery. It looks like 2 D cells. And the newer version uses a Velcro battery strap. And it also still has an incandescent indicator light bulb. I'm assuming the reason for that is so it can dim whenever it's fully charged and then become bright whenever it's charging. This is a 6-volt system, and it does take the standard 6-volt 4.5 amp hour battery. One nice thing about these new ones, besides the color, is that the older ones had the metal battery straps. I noticed sometimes, depending on how you have the battery seated, if you have it sideways, the metal strap would actually short out the terminals, which I thought was kind of weird. But so yeah, that's the main differences: is the color, the battery strap material, and then the voltage rating. So thank you for watching.